Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is my Shameless Saturday shout out. I'm shouting out the Happy Prepper today. He's a little young guy, just started his channel. Needs some help, some subscribers, some comments. Let's go there and follow that link and show this young man some support. I don't know how old he is, I'm not going to venture to guess, but I'd say he's a young teenager perhaps, and he's prepping and doing a good job of it. And as you know, y'all take the comment space below and tell us about your channel, and put a link in there too if you like, or shout out your neighbor's channel that you want to shout out, and let's support each other. I don't know if we've got a lot else to do right now, but at least we can do that. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.